Hi, in front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip S, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the shortcuts on this device. First, let me show you what I mean by customize the shortcuts. Basically, when you wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the side button, you can swipe left or right on the home screen on the watch face to go through the shortcuts. And here we have options like, I believe this is heart rate, yes, music, steps, and weather. And we can customize this list. To do it, we need to open the Zap app on our phone, of course the phone that our watch is paired with. In the app, we need to tap on Profile, right here, select our AMAZFIT Bip S from the list of devices, and here scroll down, and find the option called Shortcut Settings. Tap on it, and as you can see, we have a list of shortcuts, and we can customize it a couple of ways. Basically, we can add or remove the shortcut. To add the shortcut, you need to find the shortcut on the list of hidden items. Then press and hold on the sorting button next to the item you want to add and drag it to the list above, like this. Then you can tap on Save to save the settings, wake up the screen, swipe right or left on the screen, find the PAI. As you can see, it's here. Okay, let's go back to the shortcut settings. We can also remove something from this list. To do it, simply press and hold on the sorting button next to the item you want to remove, and then drag it to the bottom to the hidden list, hidden items, and tap Save to save the settings. Now when we wake up the screen, start scrolling, we won't have the music controls, as you can see. Okay, another thing you want, or rather you can do, you can basically change the order of the items on the list. For example, we can move the weather to the first place, and to do it, we need to press and hold on the sorting button next to weather and drag it to the top of the list. And once you're done, tap Save, wake up the screen, and if you swipe left, the weather will be at the first place, right here. And that's how you customize the shortcuts on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.